Ready? Come on. Come on, William. Pat it and make a big circle. Pat it down, spread it out a little bit. Keep spreading it, guys. It goes all the way to 12 inches. 12 inches is much farther than this.
It's sticky.
It's sticky, exactly. Sticky, sticky.
Sticky.
This is fun. Keep going. Keep going. And now you guys get to each take a turn rolling it. Who wants to roll first?
Me.
Okay, you could roll first. Okay. Oh, we don't want it to break. So what we have to do is make sure that these little holes do not happen. So, do you know how to roll?
Yes.
Wait, give him a turn. Now you roll it out. And maybe I need a little flour.
Let's see it keeps.
That's okay. I'm going to
Sticky.
fix that. That's okay. And we'll get a little flour out here. Maybe a little more flour.
It breaks.
That's okay.
No, don't lick. No, not yet.
Let me get a little more flour. Okay, go ahead and roll now. I think that should be good. Better?
Yeah.
Good rolling, good rolling. You want Isaac to have a turn now? Go ahead, Isaac. Roll it, good rolling, good roll.